Hey there, have you ever been worried about losing money online? Well, this week I'm diving into what to do if you got scammed on Cash App. Stick around for the crucial steps to recover your funds and protect yourself from future scams. Also, if you haven't signed up for Cash App yet, you can use my link down below and we'll both get $5. First things first, take a deep breath and try and stay calm. Getting scammed can be incredibly stressful and emotionally draining, but panicking won't help you think clearly or act effectively. By staying calm, you're better able to assess the situation and plan your next steps. And remember, you're not the first person this happened to, and you can take action to protect yourself and potentially recover your funds later on. Now, start by thinking back to the details of the transaction. Try to recall if you paid for a product or service that wasn't delivered, or if you were interacting with an account impersonating someone you know or a business that you trusted. Identifying the type of scam you encountered can guide you towards the most effective steps to take next. Was the scammer using pressure tactics like rushing you to pay immediately or offering a deal that seemed way too good to be true? These are often red flags that can help you better understand how you were targeted in the scam. So once you have a clearer picture of what actually happened, start collecting as much evidence as possible. This includes any email messages, any email confirmations, or screenshots related to the scam that happened. Documenting these details is crucial, especially if you need to report the incident to Cash App's support team or even law enforcement. Review your recent transactions on Cash App and highlight exactly when and how the scam occurred. Did you notice any unusual activity around that time? The more information you can gather at this stage, the better prepared you'll be to take the next steps. Remember, acting quickly and thoughtfully can make all the difference in protecting yourself from further issues. Okay, once you have an idea of what happened, it's time to reach out to the Cash App support. The quicker you can contact them, the better your chances are of recovering the money you lost. In the Cash App, go to your profile, scroll down and select Cash Support. From there, you can navigate to something else option where you can report the issue. Please make sure to provide as much detail as possible, including the date, time, and amount of the transaction. If you have any supporting documents or screenshots, mention these in your message. Cash App will review your case and investigate whether the refund is possible. While they can't guarantee a refund for every single situation, they might be able to reverse the transaction or offer advice on how to proceed next. Be prepared to wait a little for the response. Due to the volume of requests, Cash App support might take a couple of days to get back to you. During this time, avoid any further transactions with suspicious accounts or anyone you don't trust. It's all about securing your funds as quickly as possible. Another thing, if contacting Cash App support doesn't resolve your issue, or if you feel the need for further action, the next step is to report it to the authorities. This can seem intimidating, but it's an essential step in protecting yourself and potentially many others. Start by filing a report with your local police department. While they may not be able to recover your money directly, filing a report can create an official record of the incident that happened. This documentation can be valuable, particularly if other people have been scammed by the same individual or same group. Your report may contribute to a larger investigation or help track reoccurring scam patterns in your area. Also, if you're in the United States, you have the option to report the scam to the Federal Trade Commission, or the FTC. The FTC monitors scam complaints to identify and shut down fraudulent operations. To file a report with the FTC, visit their official website and fill out their online complaint form. They'll ask for specific details about the scam, including the type of scam, the amount of money you lost, and any contact information you have for the scammer. This process is super straightforward, and by providing these details, you're helping the FTC track and combat fraudulent activities nationwide. In cases involving internet fraud, you may also want to contact the Internet Crime Complaint Center, or IC3, which operates as part of the FBI. The IC3 is specifically designed to handle internet crimes, and they can take further action if your case aligns with their investigative criteria. Reporting to the IC3 involves filling out a similar form on their website, where you'll be asked to describe the scam in detail. The IC3 may not directly resolve your case, but their investigations often contribute to broader efforts to dismantle online scam networks. So by taking these steps to report the scam, you're not only seeking justice for yourself, but also helping to prevent others from falling victim to similar scams. Reporting the incident allows law enforcement and regulatory bodies to take note and potentially act, creating a safer digital environment for everyone. And remember, every report counts, and sharing your experience with authorities can make a meaningful difference. Okay, so after you reported to Cash App or maybe even the authorities, it's essential to notify your bank or card issuer. Explain the situation and ask if they can assist with a chargeback or offer any other protections. Your bank might be able to block your card or account to prevent further unauthorized transactions. Another thing to remember is that in some cases, scammers can actually gain access to other financial information that was stored in your Cash App account. That's why it's crucial and critical to update your passwords and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Make sure you choose a strong, unique password for your Cash App account and avoid using the same passwords across multiple different platforms. Also, monitor your bank and credit card statements for any unusual transactions. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to your bank absolutely immediately. We're talking ASAP. Taking these precautions can protect you from additional financial losses and help secure your account from future threats. So now that you've taken all the appropriate steps to protect yourself, it's time to help others avoid falling into the same trap that you did. Cash App relies on user reports to identify and ban fraudulent accounts. So make sure you report the scammer's profile. Go back into the Cash App, find the scammer's profile, and report it as a fraudulent account. This step will help Cash App identify patterns of suspicious activity. The more people report a scammer, the higher the chances of them getting banned from the platform. Your report could save others from being scammed in the future as well. Another thing Cash App allows is you to block any user. So consider blocking the scammer's profile to prevent further contact. By doing this, you're taking proactive measures to protect yourself and others from falling victim to these scams. Once you've secured your accounts and reported the scam, don't keep it to yourself. What you want to do is inform your friends and family about what happened. Scammers often rely on people being too embarrassed to share their experiences, which allows them to target others. By speaking up, you can help prevent others from getting scammed in a similar way. Also consider posting about your experience on social media or talking about it in group chats. This way, people can be on the lookout for any similar tactic. Many scammers operate in networks, so targeting multiple people with similar methods, the more people that know about these scams, the harder it is to become scammed, I guess. If you're part of any online groups or forums where people discuss Cash App or digital payments, share your story there too. It's all about building awareness and educating others on what to watch out for when using these platforms. In all honesty, being scammed can be a hard lesson to learn, but there's always something to learn from the experience. Reflecting on what happened and thinking about any red flags that you might have missed. Were there any unusual messages or requests that seem suspicious in hindsight? Recognizing these warning signs can help you avoid similar scams in the future. And moving forward, make it a habit to double check payment requests and verify the ID of people asking for money. Scammers often use urgency as a tactic to pressure their victims, so take your time and don't rush into any transaction. Remember, legitimate businesses and individuals won't mind if you need a moment to confirm their identity. Consider familiarizing yourself with Cash App's safety features, like enabling notifications for every single transaction. Staying aware and informed can help you spot potential scams before they affect you. Remember, vigilance is key to protecting yourself in today's digital world. Understanding Cash App's refund policy is another vital step in protecting yourself. Unfortunately, Cash App doesn't guarantee refunds for scams, but they do offer refunds for certain types of payments. For example, if you mistakenly sent money to the wrong person, you can request that they refund the payment. Cash App provides a built-in feature to request refunds from the recipient. If the recipient refuses or is unresponsive, you can contact Cash App support for further assistance. It's also worth noting that Cash App provides additional protections for unauthorized transactions. If you believe your account was hacked and payments were made without your consent or knowledge, Cash App may offer you a refund. Familiarizing yourself with these policies can empower you to act quickly if you suspect something might be wrong. It also helps you understand the platform's limitations, allowing you to make informed decisions when you need to. And so there you have it. These are the essential steps to follow if you got scammed on Cash App. And remember, staying calm and acting quickly can make all the difference. Be vigilant, stay informed, and protect yourself from scams. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on staying safe online. Also, if you haven't signed up for Cash App yet, you can use my link down below and we'll each get $5.